Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame chart, Bitcoin has completely broken down a very significant support of $17,500. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Definitely after the FTX issue, now everyone, especially the traders, are concerned about their investments at exchanges. But one thing I'm observing is a quite positive trend emerging across the different exchanges. And that trend is to show the proof of reserve. And I think the credit for this trend goes to CZ Binance. And this can bring some hope and positiveness in the crypto market. Because the major concern of every person during this crisis is whether your investment or your assets are secure or not. Now let's move to the charts, and first of all let me just show you this week the time frame chart. And here we can see that we are still moving inside this down channel. We were just breaking out. Even we broke it out here in the previous week, not the previous week, after the closing of the current week, almost 2 weeks ago. And now you can see after that the price ended again after this market crash, re-entered the same channel, and even we have broken down a very long-term support, and that was in fact a very strong support zone that was starting from $19,500 to $17,500. This is, by the way, the support of $17,500, and you can see it was breaking as a support here back in December 2020 and as a resistance here in January 2018. And now we can see that on the weekly time frame chart, the candlestick is completely closed and this support of $17,500. Now let's take a look at this support as well. And this next support, we have another support, by the way, here, and that is at $15,968. Not as that much strong support like we had at $17,500. That was breaking as a support here, and even before that we have seen. But if we watch this support here, by the way, in the month of November 2020, let me just show you on the daily time frame chart. Then we can see that in November 2020, this level was breaking as a resistance here. This is the $15,968. We got rejected, and after breaking out, we used this level as a support. And this time, after this drop, we had this wick of the candlestick very close to this support, but could not touch it here. But we used this level as a resistance here, as a support here. Therefore, this time, after this drop, you can see exactly from this support the price line is again bounced. So that was a very nice opportunity. If you would have bought here, then you could have a very nice buying opportunity. That was, by the way, almost 16% pump, and the price line is again rejected by this previous support of $17,500. Obviously that is now acting as a resistance, and after getting rejected by this resistance, the price line again dropped down at the next support that we have at $15,968. Now, for example, if the price line will be move more down from here, it will break down this support. Then the next buying opportunity, a very short-term buying opportunity, can be at the next major support that we have here at $13,880, and from there we can expect another bounce like we had here. And when the price line will be dropped here, then we can expect another drop, and after that our next support will be here at $12,473. By the way, this $12,473 is stronger than this support of $13,880. And now if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, by the way, here we have a very nice formation of a bullish harmonic pattern as well. That is a harmonic garlic pattern. You can see after this move, the price line is dropped between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, 886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and after that it has again dropped more than 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the perfect garlic move, but at this time I would not suggest you to trade this pattern. Yes, if it will be dropped to the next support, then you can have a very nice buying opportunity, but for a very short term. But if someone trades this pattern, then our reversal targets, the price reversal targets, can be between 0.382 to 0.786, and that can be between $16,700 to $17,600. And the stop loss can be below than this lag that we have here at $15,630. Now, let's take a look at this hourly time frame chart. When I shared my last video, at that time, we were just breaking out this resistance, but you can see this was just a price wick, and the price line is rejected by this down trend line resistance. And I was telling you at that time that the RSI is not moving up. The price line is moving up, but RSI is not moving up with the price line. It is forming lower high than previous high. So there is a bearish divergence. Therefore, there is a probability that it may be a fake out. And you can see that was a fake out, and the price line is dropped down. And for example, if the price reversal starts from here, then this downtrend line can still work as a resistance for the price line, but that can be the first signal for a recovery move. If the price line breaks it out, then we can expect that it can start a recovery move, and that recovery move can be, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this currently, can be from $16,700 to here at $17,600. Now, if we move back to the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that we are hanging between this support, this major support of $17,500 and the next major support at $13,880. And we are having a very a weak support here at $15,968. However, it is possible that it may work as a strong support and the price and may move here sideways, and then it will start another reversal move from here. However, we need to break out this resistance line. That will be the first signal for a recovery move, and we also need to break out this very long-term down trend line resistance and $17,500 resistance, and then the $19,500 resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.